Basic Integration Part 3, Indefinite Integrals. So in this video, we will be looking at some more questions on indefinite integrals. Okay, so let's start with the first question. Let's say if we have 2x to the power of 7 over 5 3 over x to the power of 1 over 3 minus 4 dx. So we can simply integrate 2x to the power of 7 over 5 by writing like this, 7 over 5 plus, you put 3 at the front, 1 over x to the power of 1 over 3 minus the integration of integrate 4 dx. So 7 over 5 plus 1 will give us 12 over 5 divided by 12 over 5. And then next is 3. So 1 over x to the power of 1 over 3, we can write them like this. Negative 1 over 3. And then minus by 4x. And then we can continue by writing the easiest form, simpler form. So negative 1 over 3 plus 1 will be 2 over 3. So 3 x to the power of 2 over 3 divided by 2 over 3. Then we can write it like this, 12 over 5 plus 9 over 2 for x plus c. So this is the answer for this question. So let's go to our second question. Second question, let's say we have 5t to the power of 3 plus t minus 1 divided by square root of t dt. So what we can do here is we separate them. Like this, t over and minus by 1 over square root of t dt. Now we can easily solve the problem. So we bring 5 in front. So 3 minus 1 over 2 will get 5 over 2. So t to the power of 5 over 2 plus 1 minus half, we're going to get t to the power of half minus t to the power of negative 1 over 2. Okay, so this is dt. Then we can solve this easily. So we're going to get 7 over 2, since 1 plus 5 over 2 is 7 over 2, divided by 7 over 2. plus t to the power of 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 minus t to the power of 1 over 2. Since negative 1 over 2 plus 1 is 1 over 2, and divide by its power, so it's going to be 1 over 2. So this one is the answer. And then we can simply write like this: 2 over 3 t to the power of 3 over 2, and then minus 2 t to the power of 1 over 2 plus c. So this is the answer. Okay, so moving on to question 3. Let's have pi cos x cosecant x minus 3 sine x plus 1 over 2 square root x dx. So ways to solve it is, firstly, we're looking at that function. So that one is, we call it as trigonometric function. So we have to know what is the integrals of cosecant. So the integrals of cosecant will give us sine x, sine. Okay, so pi. So pi sine x, right, minus, we integrate sine, so it will give us negative cos x plus 1 over 2. We separate them, 1 over square root of x dx. Okay, so we write them back: plus 3 cos x, so plus 1 over 2. Since 1 over square root of x is x to the power of negative 1 over 2 dx, divided by its power, and then plus c. So we write it back: 3 cos x. So since it is 2 over 2, yeah, plus x to the power of 1 over 2 plus c. So 2 over 2, we can cancel it. And the final answer will be pi sine x plus 3 cos x plus x to the power of 1 over 2 plus c. So this is the final answer for question 3.